What's up with your family? Peace to y'all, man. I'm back at the land, trying to get it in. We are pretty much done with setting the retaining wall. So really pile number 3, and it's really not even a pile number 4. It's a burn pile. We kind of extracted from that. You can see some stuff on the outside right there, and it kind of goes along. And yeah, we're going to try to attack these trees today. We're gonna cut them up, probably about 10 feet long, 8-10 feet long, and we'll move it to the side some kind of way so we can get to pile number 3. And first we're gonna delimb these trees. Just want to give a good before and after shot, you know, get a good look at what we're working with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pretty decent sized trees. So wish us luck. I did buy a chain, probably should have bought 2, but you know, I actually got we went to Tractor Supply and found out they sold it is cold this morning. This Mississippi weather is so wishy-washy, man. So you know, we found out at Tractor Supply that they supply they sell the Husqvarna chainsaw. So I was actually get a name brand chain for the chainsaw. So we got a new chain. Let's see how it works. But this is definitely the before shot. I might, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna do a time lapse, but probably be checking in periodically to show the progress. All right, let's get to it. Got most of it delimbed. All right, and what I'm about to do now, I'm about to build a little fire on this backside. It's an old pile that I had going with some sticks, and eventually I knew I was gonna start a fire there, so I gotta hold on to this just to get over. All right, so man, my second chainsaw is a beast. You know, it might not be as, it don't seem like it's as powerful as my the loaner, but it was cutting through this stuff like butter. I like that. And yeah, now it's this the fire I'm about to start. I just want to make sure I rake around it so it won't spill off into the woods. All right. I mean, if the amber go in there, then the amber go in there. But the controlled burn type of situation, that most definitely is possible. And you see, sun is rising. We up early. It's probably, I don't know, 8:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere around that. But yeah. So once I gather all these, I'm gonna throw them in the fire, and hopefully we get a nice little burn. We got a burn over there on the other side. That's going, and I might just push that backside onto that since it's burning pretty good. Who knows? Let's see how this cleanup goes, and I'll turn back. No time lapse, so there's gonna be bits and pieces. Yeah. So stay tuned. Yeah, damn near left my phone in the pile. It had dropped. Let's get this back a little bit. Burn out real quick. Once it get down a little bit. because it got some meat at the bottom from when I was pulling off pile number 3. So now I'm just gonna feed it all this right here, clean this up. I'm gonna check on that one over there. All right, this one's burning pretty decent. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring the excavator over here and I'm gonna try to push this in. I'm trying to push this in. Now I'll be back. Get this up out of here. Cause it's gonna make a loud noise and I'm gonna jump. Let's see. Make sure. Catch on fire even more. I don't know why it's not coming back. Yo, so that's what we're looking like right now. Took a lot of the limbs, a lot of that stuff is in there. I had to it was kind of in layers, right? So I got like the first top layer, and then the next layer up under that I couldn't get to because the first layer was on top of it, or I couldn't see it. So this was pretty much, and I went through cutting up some of the bigger wood. Hey, the chainsaw I bought from my neighbor, that thing a beast. It cut up all this wood, and I didn't even have to use the big chainsaw because I gotta change the chain on it. It cut up the, look at that, like butter. I was like, woo! Even the big boys. So I ain't get to this one right here. But I did get those two. I got everything up in here. Look at that. Cut them in 3. I can move them. I can move them around. I might. Somebody gave me an idea to move these down on the entrance of the road. I wonder how that'll work or look. But yeah, man, we making progress, as you can see. Ain't too much. I mean, it's a lot of progress, but yeah, I came up on here, cut these joints. It cut up all this wood, no problem. I had to refill. Look at my cane. I need my cane. It cut up all this wood. All right, so I can move them. I'll move them to the side over here. That fire's still going. So I basically have 1 and this long one right here at 2, which I think would be no problem, especially if I gotta bring out the big dog. So stay tuned. Got baby out here, so I can't do too much right now. For to eat, wife that brought me some breakfast before she head off to her client. Look at the coop. Coop looking fresh now, huh? I don't know what we're gonna do about this roof part. We just put some plastic over it, and it's been holding up, but don't know for how long. What y'all think, fam? For the free 99, I think we in now. All right, Stay tuned. We be back for the grub. So what's up, boo? I don't know what. I'll let you get on. Bye. been recording for an hour almost. Look at this. I gotta get that little thing. So we got all the logs to the side, and yeah, we got that one. I gotta cut that one. It's just that I was in the mode to get those logs in first. I thought I chopped everything up, but I forgot to get that. So this is mostly dirt, but I'll pick through that tomorrow. This is burning pretty good. And tomorrow we'll condense it. Got this one right here. I had to make sure I rake outside of it so we won't have no controlled burning going on. But this has opened up a lot. Can't fucking talk. I had me one of them steel. I think it's 211. Yeah. So my wife and I were just talking like, shoot, we probably need to get this tree out. That tree, that oak 3, and maybe this one right here to open it up even more. So I'm like, not right now. But eventually we'll go ahead and take them out, because at least for the beginning part of our lives, ain't nobody gonna be coming over here. You smell that? So that's everything right though. So that means when it's opened up, it is a pretty good little chunk. In our driveway, we'll have some what you call it, pavement, not the gravel. Yeah, we're gonna go cheaper. We're gonna gravel into the driveway. So, and we got all that done just in a day. Shout out to my home builder Calvin over there at SE Homes, Stevenson Elite Homes, renovations, whatever you need, holla at your boy. I think their website sehomes.com, and he's actually, while we he's building his house too, so he kind of like back and forth, but in between we get to use the excavator. So, you know, the rental, that can add up to some thousands of dollars for the time that we've been using it. So shout out to Kyle. What's up, boo? Ready to go? Hey, let's go get some chickens. Well, probably a rooster. So the coop over there, I need to make sure it's secure before it get dark, cause we ain't gonna be able to see hardly nothing. All right, we'll be back. Stay tuned.